In this video, I want to share to all of you about this absolutely gorgeous, amazing tiny home with beautiful and amazing storage. This is about my result of my prom work from one of AI platform. And in this video, it's not only about the interior and exterior, but also it have several design alternative about the exterior and also the interior. So it will give all of you about the new inspiration, new ideas about it all. Okay, let's watch. This is about the absolutely gorgeous tiny home design with amazing storage space, as we can see from the outside of this tiny home itself. And it has a several design, and this is a first alternative, and this is a second alternative. I very like this about the rustic and uniqueness about the exterior cladding and the window concept design. It's very beautiful look from the outside, and this is about the another typical or another example of interior itself from this tiny home. And this is about the result of prompting work from one of the AI platform. And this is about the fourth design. As we can see about this show like this, it was great amazing color and color combination between the green and red and black. It's well combined. I mean, then this is about the interior design of this tiny home with amazing shelf and storage, as we can look from this interior design. It has a loft bed and small loft bed, but it was great and amazing arrangement and in amazing configuration about the interior design. And I like the combination of this color between the cyan and rustic wood like that. And this is about the um, another experience of this design. And maybe we can look for the small tiny home with variative roof. And this is about the another interior design again with green vintage. I mean, in my opinion, it's just a green vintage with wood material. And this is for the another design with light wood and white wood color right there with a skylight. So it could maximizing the daylighting system on this indoor of this tiny home itself. And combination between the floor or the glossy wood floor with the carpet, it was make more homey vibes on this interior of the tiny home itself, because I like that. Then this is about the another design configuration of this tiny home, and I think it was insightful for us because of the color. It's not too much, but it well color combination, and it looked like it was great also with a combination between the wood material, glossy, semi-glossy, and the giant material or all giant. Okay, and we can look for the shelving and cabinet configuration for this interior design, as we can look for the loft bed area above the kitchen and many more. And this is for the another design for the interior. We can look the storage on above the interior can maximize by the grid configuration of interior with a kitchen and many shelf of this interior layout and design. I mean, and again with the combination between the floor or woody floor, glossy woody floor with the carpet, it was great and amazing, make homey vibes of this interior. And maybe we can get some complicated result of the AI prompt, but we still have great inspiration from this, especially for the schematic color combination and for the basic furniture layout, for the basic interior design. I mean, and for the exterior cladding inspiration, just like this, I think it was great, and I think it was amazing lighting or artificial lighting of this tiny home. So the tiny home, it's not only about just ordinary tiny home, but we can explore more about my own tiny home with luxury vibes or with artistic vibe or iconic vibes of this tiny home. It's not only on the exterior but also about the iconic interior or simple modern interior on the tiny home. So the tiny home is not only about the low budget. It's not only about the low budget concept of the housing, of low cost housing, but with a low cost housing itself, we can explore more with some inspiration, especially for this video. It has a lot of insight for us, so we can get many ideas, we can many fresh ideas. It's not only about interior but also exterior um, envelopes and landscape maybe. So because the living space, especially for this tiny home, it's not only about the interior exterior but also about the landscape, because the landscape are, I mean, for the some case the landscape are very important. So if we enjoy from the interior just like this, we can enjoy the landscape on the surrounding of tiny home itself. As we can see, this is about the beautiful interior with soft color with a white and cyan. I think it will be more complete. It will be more complete if we can enjoy the outside environment or with the outside landscape from inside of this interior of tiny home itself. Okay, we can look for the storage system of this tiny home. It's very smart. I mean, in my opinion, it's about the very smart storage system with some uh, layout. And this is about the exterior design again. This is about the exterior design. And for the glazing, it's I mean, it's what's perfect. And this is about the another exterior design of the tiny home with diagonal shaping or diagonal facade or exterior design just like this, and it make great. So I think it was great color with a soft green like this with a little bit black color on the top of the kitchen. I mean, it was great. And this is about the exterior. It's dominance with a black cladding color from the wall until the roof material with a black semi-gloss. And this is about the rustic material with great opening and entrance right there with transparent material. And I mean, it has a lot of door and window. And in my opinion, it's about the Scandinavian concept of the color of the interior with a dominance light wood and white material with small space right there. And it also great with semi-gloss or doff color of the dark green material like that. It was very iconic on the interior. It's not only about exterior. I mean, then we can look for another design shelf, especially for the cabinet, kitchen, and some staircase, small staircase. I mean, and it was great design of the last picture. I mean, it was great. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you. And wait for my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.